universal translator. Unfortunately, so far it only translates into an incomprehensible dead language.
Hello.
Bonjour. Crazy gibberish.
Don't you have any worthwhile inventions?
Why, certainly. Step over here. These are the dark matter engines I invented. They allow my starship to travel between galaxies in mere hours.
That's impossible. You can't go faster than the speed of light.
Of course not. That's why scientists increased the speed of light in 2208.
Also impossible.
And what makes my engines truly remarkable is the afterburner, which delivers 200% fuel efficiency.
Well, that's especially impossible.